Hi, this is Nick from Monitor Medical. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use the new AirTouch N20 from ResMed. To put the mask on, you'll first need to orient the mask with the blue magnets facing down. Next, place the memory foam cushion around your nose. Then pull the straps all the way over your head. Snap the blue magnets closed by hovering the connections together as demonstrated here. Adjust the Velcro straps on both sides near the blue magnets first, then adjust the Velcro straps near your temples to finalize the fitment. Now that the mask is in place, I'll demonstrate how to attach the hose. The hose will have an end with a round opening and one with a bent connection. The mask connects to the bent connection. Simply push this connector into the mask until it snaps into place. You should be able to swivel the hose freely inside of the mask connection. To release the hose, simply depress the two tabs on the connection portion of the hose and pull. To remove the mask, simply pull apart the magnets, then remove the straps. Thank you for watching. For more information on the N20 and for all other CPAP related purchases, check out our website linked in the description below.